So after burning fire, God is going to torture them. I want to use statements. What are these statements? You know what is the supreme torture for the wicked? Look at this torture. In Great Controversy 542 paragraph 2, let me read. No? A life of rebellion against God, no, the wicked and angels, his enemies. A life of rebellion against God has unfitted them for heaven. Its purity, holiness, and peace would be torture to them. So God is torturing them now. What tortures them? It's purity, holiness, and peace. So the peace of heaven is torture to this wicked. The holiness of heaven is torture to this wicked. The purity of life and principles is torture to them. Are they tortured? They will be tortured. The glory of God will be a consuming fire. What kind of fire?